Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix volume automatically goes down on any Samsung phone. Now, to fix this issue, just open settings, then go to sounds and vibration. Now, from here, make sure to select sound, then go to volume. Tap on the three dots and select media volume limit. Now from here, just increase the media volume limit, just like that. Now once you do that, just go back, then go to apps. Tap on the three dots and select reset app preferences. Now just select reset. Now once you do that, just go back and go to general management. Now from here, just go to reset and select reset all settings. Now just tap on reset settings, then enter your PIN. From here, just select reset. Now this option will not delete any data on your smartphone. It will only reset all the settings on your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the volume button on your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and that will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix volume automatically goes down on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.